here. Now this is, this is wetland plant, see that? The difference between that soybean over there and this one is this grows under water. That soybean over there doesn't grow under water. And the hypothesis is that this can clean up nitrogen and phosphorus better than that type of a system. And that's what we're trying to test. Can you hear me at the back, Sierra? Can you hear me? Okay. So that's what we're trying to test. Now, note, this is wetland plants, marsh. The reason why there's no growth here because the water is deeper here and then shallow again. We call it a marsh, pond, marsh system. Okay? Marsh, pond, marsh system. Now at the beginning of this study, way back in 1997, it began 1997, 98, we thought that it was getting efficient conversion. It was really acting well, but we found out that the nitrogen was going back to the air. It was going back to the air. That's what the scientists found out. It was not really treating the system well. It was going back to the air. So they're still continually doing experiments here and getting some good discoveries on how we could better treat swine waste. Now as engineers, this is research, right? And the engineers right now, remember our lesson? Engineers, we put research into action, right? So if research findings here right now, research findings here will be used by engineers so that they can design better systems that can treat swine waste. And we could continually eat our pigs. Am I right? Okay, or else we'll be in trouble. There's a dichotomy here. Now, they found out too, since nitrogen goes in the air, so they started a new experiment. And the new experiment is at the back of you. Okay? If you look at this experiment, that is marsh. In the middle of us is a pond, just like that. Okay? But this time, the pond, we want to take a picture of this. The pond, they covered with recycled rubber sleepers. Okay?